Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this 22-inch deep wave wig, and I did go ahead and trim the ends so the ends could look a lot fuller. It was pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. I did go ahead and installed it with hairspray. I did not use any glue, so it is somewhat glueless but not fully glueless. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. We all know the Luvmehair purple box, and they sent me their rewards membership card, some stocking cap, their headscarf, bonnet, wig labeler, user hair guide, and of course the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. Now if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wonder focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy.
Final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to the wig will be down in the description box. I also have a coupon code and it will also be down in the description box as well. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.